So I'm not going to be using the steering wheel, so I want to pull the steering column off of here. Just want to take that screw off. And then I'm probably going to have to get a wheel puller and see if this will come off. But I'm going to just turn it upside down for now. The steering wheel is all cracked. Alright. I'm going to have to get a steering wheel puller and pull this off. Now I might get the hammer and try to hammer it off too real quick. Alright, so my wheel puller is up at the vault. So I just want to see if this will hammer off real quick, guys. So you can use a wheel puller, but I just hammered it off here real quick, guys. Alright. Guys, I just want to clean this up. I'm not going to be pulling none of this off. This is working just fine. But I want to clean and tape this up, because when I spray this, I don't want no overspray getting all in there, guys. I'm just going to do a little sanding on here, but I'm going to actually come in and use the buff and stuff on this, guys. So,
put hardwood. 3 more to every month.
Alright, so on the steering column, I scuffed this lower half. Got it scuffed up some, but right in here, where I took that shaft off of there, sprayed some high build primer on there, guys. So, and then just use some sandable primer as a guide coat. Now I'm gonna come in and sand this down and get this ready. Alright guys, so now I'm using the hooking system with the foam pad on the DA, 3-inch DA with 320, and I'm going to come in and sand this down. All I'm trying to do, guys, is get rid of all the black on here. I kind of hand scuffed it, sanded it with 180 or 150, whichever one you have, just to kind of, you know, break some of the high surface off of here. Then I just want to come in and sand this baby down, get all the black off of this. And I'm gonna bust through in certain areas, guys, because I didn't put nothing but a couple of coats on this. But you know, this is the steering column. It's on the inside. So normally I would seal this, but I'm gonna just shoot etching primer on here with the rest of the column, and it should hold up. So, all right, guys. So this is that steering column all painted up there. She turned out really good. So, yeah. Take that off. Instead of paying $700-800 for a steering column, I just cut this one down and did it myself, guys. Look good. All right. All things Buick, guys. Thanks for tuning in.